let's talk about a couple things that you get when you buy one of these massive kits for action cameras, like knockoff GoPro stuff. You get like these tripods that are supposed to be able to mold around something to hold it into place, because the arms are flexible. That's all well and good, but the neck holds nothing. There's no strength there, and that's not in this. It's not even in this. But this knot right here, there's nothing in it. It's like, oh, okay, that was junk. Great. We'll get one that is adjustable. It's got a set screw on it. Tighten it up. And it's metal, not plastic. So you grab the set screw, tighten it just as tight as you can absolutely suffer, and still, it just nothing. See, you can't try to use it as a tripod, because if you try to even walk, it'll just rotate its way down. But of course, the same thing. You can twist the arm around. It's all looking good. Don't work at all. And you're like, oh, I need long extensions. So I got this extension, but they say it's for a helmet. So you put it on top of your helmet, the camera hangs off down here. You can tell that thing flexes. So if you put it out there on the end of your camera, you know your camera's just gonna be sitting there and just wobbling back and forth all the time. So another thing that I got is this. This is supposed to be for a cell phone. We'll put it out here on the end of this monopod, so that it's something that I can hold on to. But you can put it on the bottom, you can put it on the back, whatever. And then put your cell phone in there. That is an iPhone XS Max, whatever. So yeah, it's the biggest phone that they make, and it's got an OtterBox on it. That thing barely does anything to hold it on there. And you've got to have a case on it, otherwise you drop your phone, you break your stupid phone. You can see no grip on anything, because there's nothing adjustable about the teeth on the thing. And of course, one thing you do get with one of these kits, and you have chest harness, head harness, wrist strap, things like that. You get a lot of that junk, and some of it is, but I mean, it's all universal. All doesn't seem to matter who the maker is or isn't. It all fits together. Pretty much the same plastic